a calculator. Because if we need to figure out x, we need to figure out what this angle is without a calculator. So if I know the secant of x is 2, do you guys remember how does secant and cosine relate to each other? Cosine of theta is equal to what? Actually, forget about this. Let's do it this way. If you guys remember, yeah, cosine of theta is 1 over sine of, or 1 over secant of theta, right? Secant of theta is 1 over cosine of theta. That's actually the one I think we used, right? So if you were to plug it in your calculator, which you guys did, those didn't work. Now, there's another thing that comes up. We know that the cosine of theta is also can be represented as the x-coordinate. So therefore, the secant of theta is 1 over x. Would everybody agree? Yes? So what I want you guys to understand here is I can represent cosine as the reciprocal. Do you guys agree with me that these are reciprocals? X over 1 and 1 over x are reciprocals? Yes? So I can represent cosine of x as 1/2. So I can represent cosine as 1/2. Now, they're saying they want you to create a triangle that's between 0 and pi halves, where the cosine is equal to 1/2. What angle is the cosine equal to 1/2? Well, there's a couple ways you guys could do this. You could create a triangle adjacent over hypotenuse, or what I would prefer to do is create a triangle where it's 1/2 over 1. Would you guys agree with me? That's adjacent over hypotenuse? 1/2 over 1. Does anybody, if you guys look at your unit circle, the x-coordinate here would be 1/2. This would be square root of 3 over 2. So that's 1. To go from here, that's square root of 3 over 2. But we're only concerned about what x is. What angle is this triangle? 60 degrees. So therefore, x equals 60 degrees, or pi thirds. So basically, what they're asking you to do, what you're doing is you're finding basically the angle. So given a trigonometric function based on the quadrant, you're going to find the reference angle. So you're always going to find the reference angle, and then find the angle that relates to that reference angle. Does anybody have any questions on that? You guys want to try a good one, AJ?